back. Welcome back to my new video, guys. It's been so long. I really miss making videos so much. Like मेरे life में इतना सब कुछ चल रहा है, but the one thing that I constantly miss is making videos. I really don't know how to make new videos right now because I'm not traveling so much. Although I am outside, but I'm not traveling so much. My current hostel, I've stayed in this hostel for so many times. Whenever I'm in Chiang Mai, I'm here, and I love this place. It's such a vibe. And they have a night market. What is it?
A butterfly pea.
Is vegetarian? Okay.
I assume so.
Butterfly. Okay. Wow. This is really nice. I am so excited for the night market.
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay, so this is my hostel. Like literally, I've stayed here at least 4 times, and I love this. They have expanded here and there as well. But yeah, it's so nice. So the only thing that I feel is missing right now in my life is a tripod stand. I need a tripod stand and a mic. So guys, अगर मैं वीडियो में अच्छा ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है तो please bear with me. How do you like my hair? I got hair done today. They are still setting up the market right now. It looks so nice though. I do feel I can take something like this, but मेरे को पता नहीं है मैं कब पहनूंगी इसको. It looks super nice. think कि मेरे पे अच्छा लगेगा. How much?
350.
350? Oh, 350 is like almost 750 rupees, man. Not sure. Material is good though. Ah, they have a pocket as well. I need to try. I like his pants. They look good on you. And they have such cool outfits. I really love this one.
550 baht.
550 baht?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Is a
Right? A bit big size, small size.
It's really cool though.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Sadika, how much?
115 baht.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What do you recommend?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Chocolate in here, Betsy Sandy.
Okay, can I have one chocolate? So ever since I have started having cakes and pastries, जिसमें egg हो, तब से मेरे food options इतने बढ़ गए हैं ना. अभी पहले मैं ये सब नहीं खा पाती थी क्योंकि इसमें egg होता था. But now still don't eat egg yet, but yeah. My favorite. Excuse me. Vegetarian? No fish? I think the only challenge with papaya salad is they usually have shrimp and fish in it. So मैं एक बार Google Translate करती हूँ. I think they do have fish. I think I'll skip this place. So Aditya, vegetarian? No?
No.
Oh, they don't have vegetarian ones. This market is so crazy. It is full of so many different type of food and all of them are fucking fresh, man. I don't know what she's cooking. A monkey? Hello, Swadika. What is this? Beef. Okay, and this? Okay. Kapungkap. Look at these, man. I do think I need them, but I'll never use them, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so apart from this general market, what I have been doing is I'm just focusing on my agency work and मेरा health इतना ख़राब चल रहा है, मतलब हर दूसरे दिन मैं बीमार रह रही हूँ. Flu है, but it is taking a toll on my body, obviously. You can see. या तो बुढ़ापा आ रहा है, जो भी लगा लो, but health सही नहीं रह रहा है, तो I was really contemplating that what should I do. Obviously I need money to help this whole system run, explore, travel and everything else, but running an agency is not easy, man. it takes a lot of time and effort, so also a lot of people management, reaching out to new clients, but that is the update. So if you have seen my videos so far and if you have been following me from previous videos, you would know that I have made it happen. I have actually made my agency happen. The only thing that I need to figure out now is the commercial parts, like registering the business and everything else. So that is something I'm going to work on. Hopefully everything will be good and I can start traveling soon. Oh man, the clothes are so good. I really want to buy them, but also to think of my next travel adventures would be so basic that I really don't need so much clothes, so I should avoid buying. I should avoid buying and start eating. I want to eat samosa. Vegetarian? Pork. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure, but I actually like this. ये मेरे छोटा सा मिनी मेकअप पाउच हो सकता है फॉर माई बैग. आई थिंक ये काफ़ी सही है. और ये 80 रुपये का ही है. 80-90 रुपये का लगा लो. दे हैव क्वाइट. सो आई रियली वांटेड समथिंग जिसमें मेरा सामान फिट हो सके, क्योंकि मेरे बैग के अंदर में ना सब कुछ डिसऑर्गेनाइज रहता है. पाउच भी इसके अंदर आ रहा है. How much? 40 baht?
40 baht ค่ะ
40? Any discounts?
ฮะ
Any discounts?
no
30 baht? Okay.
no
Okay. Kapun kap. So she said I can wash it. I think it's a good deal, guys. I'm not sure if it's my life or what, but I am having this strong urge of organizing everything. And मेरी friend बोल रही थी कि it's because I'm growing older. Could be possible. I need to fix my fringes now. But हाँ, तो मेरा लैपटॉप बैग है ये, right, this one. And इसमें obviously अंदर में सब कुछ organized नहीं रहता है. तो whenever I needed something, ठीक है, मान लो मेरे को कैश चाहिए, तो कैश के लिए मैंने पाउच बना लिया है. बट वो पाउच, वो जो छोटू पाउच अभी देखा तुमने, वो पाउच भी निकालते समय सब कुछ निकल जाएगा. लाइक माई लिप ग्लॉस, अनदर फोन, माई चार्जर, एवरीथिंग. तो लाइक आई नीड फ्यू मिनी पाउचेस इनसाइड दिस. ठीक है, तो ये वाला पाउच आई थिंक ये वाला प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेगा मेरा. ऑल्दो आई स्टिल नीड समथिंग फॉर माई चार्जर्स, क्योंकि वो जो चार्जर पूरा फंसा रहता है ना, मज़ा नहीं आता है मेरे को. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अनोइंग और डिसऑर्गेनाइज लगता है, स्पेशली व्हेन आई एम टेकिंग आउट कैश. वाला फ़ोन है, इसका हालत आप देख ही सकते हो कितना ख़राब हो चुका है. ठीक है, लाइक बहुत ही ख़राब, बट इट स्टिल इज़ वर्किंग. मतलब मैं इसका स्क्रीन चेंज करा दूँगी घर जाके, तो इट शुड बी इन अ गुड कंडीशन. आई नो आई शुड हैव बॉट अ केस वे बिफोर दिस हैपेंड, बट इट्स नेवर टू लेट नो. तो चलते हैं केस ख़रीदते हैं. आई रियली लाइक द केस दे हैव हियर, इट्स मोर प्रिटी. या फिर ऐसा लगा लो मेरे को पैसा खर्चा करने का मन है. वेयर इज़ द केस गाय? So they are selling cases here. It's for 100 baht. That's almost 210 Indian rupees. Oh, this one looks better, I think. So the last thing that I really needed to do, it was for my parents actually. They asked me to buy silverware. ठीक है, देखते हैं कितने का है. How much is it? 800.
yes by weight yeah?
Oh, by weight.
yes hot is 500.
Okay, okay. I don't know why I thought it was 80 baht.
First customer, good price for you.
Oh, okay, okay. 800 baht is expensive, man.
Then
Yeah.
this oneเป็น Chiang Mai
Yeah.
flower, symbol of Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai flower.
एंड यार यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे सिल्वर के ब्रेसलेट्स हैं. ब्रेसलेट्स एंड एंकलेट्स, दे आर सो प्रिटी. एंड अपेरेंटली सिल्वर हियर इज़ चीपर देन इंडिया. मतलब इंडिया में अभी 55 रुपये 55 रुपीज़ पर ग्राम है, एंड हियर इट्स अराउंड 33-34 रुपीज़ पर ग्राम. इट लुक्स रियली नाइस. I am actually very tempted to buy. The shop is super nice, and they have a very nice collection here, but just not very sure if I should buy now or should I wait few more days. तो अभी पैसा बहुत ही वाइजली यूज़ करना है, क्योंकि मैंने बताया मैं अपना एजेंसी सेटअप कर रही हूँ एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स. तो यार मैं ऐसे ना, जैसे मैं पैसा खर्चा करते आई हूँ वैसे मैं पैसा नहीं खर्चा कर सकती हूँ. एंड अभी मेरा गोल इन्वेस्टमेंट पे भी है, तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब coming from a place where I bought everything I wanted to buy at any point of time to this place where I am thinking, do I really need it right now or can I buy it later as well? Well, so much for saving money, but यार मेरे को चाहिए था, ठीक है, और मैं हमेशा यहाँ पे ना लूज कर रही होती हूँ, like okay, I'll buy a silver one. Actually मैं इस वाले को भी replace करूँगी with silver, क्योंकि मेरे को बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है जब ये काला हो जाता है, and it is turning black now as you can see, so I don't like that. So to save money in the long run, I decided to invest only in jewelries that do not decay or turn black.
No problem.
Food here man, coconut ice cream बस 50 baht का, wow. This is literally the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. Maybe more than the dog shit. Fucking crazy. Wow. Still haven't found my samosa, but I found the crocodiles. I found my samosa. Is spicy okay? Oh, I can have more spicy, yes? Chicken is green?
Yeah.
Oh.
Color green.
Tasty, they are doing it in the same oil, which traditionally I would obviously not take, but famous. Okay. Yeah. She's very popular.